The first day of the budget session today began with a heated debate on the issue of the governor's address since he was speaking in Hindi. Later, the four legislators of the VPP walked out of the assembly after the speaker allowed the governor's speech to continue in Hindi. Talking to the other elected MLAs on the issue raised by VPP, when asked, Cabinet Minister Dr. Amprian Lyngdoh, who had raised this issue earlier in the August House, said, "It is important to highlight that, and I'm happy that it was highlighted again this time, this year, and we need to be consistent on the matter." When asked to Cabinet Minister and UDP legislator Paul Lyngdoh on the rule of the conduct in the Assembly, he said, Rule 28 is very clear that a member can make a submission in his mother tongue, provided that the same copy of the speech is made available to the Speaker. On the other hand, when asked TMC leader Dr. Mukul Sangma on not taking part in the issue raised by the VPP, he said, the important part is to really appreciate to what that whole sense of appreciation of the huge diversity that the nation has from linguistic, cultural and religious perspective.
We need to make sure that Government of India knows that the people of the state of Meghalaya do not understand Hindi. In fact, even we were having some difficulty following the language that was spoken, even though the written speech was given to us.
Ideally speaking though, when you communicate, I would have preferred an address in a language that I can thoroughly understand. But today, to compensate for that, what I did was read the governor's speech in English, and reading is far better because you can internalize all points of the speech better than listening to a language which I can only half understand.
Different people have different way of doing things. Different political parties have different way of approach on issues such as these. So therefore, it is up to the conscience of the leaders of those respective political parties. I think they should take a cognizance of what has been articulated appropriately in the past and today.